Hello, my name's Laura and I'm one of the trainers on the DipTESOL course. So the DipTESOL stands for Diploma in Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages, and this is a Level 7 qualification, which is the same as the Master's level course back in the UK. So for the DipTESOL course, it's a blended course which you do 7 months online study first, and then you do the remainder face-to-face and self-study coursework components later on. So there is a face-to-face component in which you do the teaching, practical and the phonology interview, and we hold this for 4 weeks over the summer, and there's 3 blocks in which you can choose from for Hong Kong. You will develop a deeper understanding about the English language in terms of grammar, discourse and phonology, as well as look at learning and teaching principles and apply this to your current practices. Finally, you'll think about your own professional development, the ways in which we can develop and apply this to the coursework that you do on the course. Eligible candidates have 2 years teaching experience full-time, teaching English to speakers of other languages, of course. They also have a degree or equivalent, and ideally they have an initial teacher training qualification such as a Cert TESOL, a CELTA or something similar. While the latter isn't essential, it is recommended as it will give you a good foundation to carry into the DipTESOL course. So aside from actually just taking your teaching to the next level, this qualification is very useful if you're thinking about going into management, teacher training, or if you're looking to go into content writing, such as writing course books and stuff like that. This is the qualification that will help you get there. The DipTESOL is also recognised by a lot of MA TESOL programs and applied linguistics programs. So the credits that you get from the DipTESOL can be carried over to other institutions for further studies if you wish to. You can always check on the main website to find out which institutions recognise the DipTESOL and how many credits they count it for. To find out more about the DipTESOL course, you can contact us via the website hongkongtesol.com. You can also find out and book a place at one of our taster sessions where you get to meet one of the trainers and find out more.